This is the UPERFECT 15.6-inch portable monitor. I got this guy, and I have to say I'm fairly impressed with it. Quick notes about it right away that I can tell you. This hinge on the back is perfect. It has enough resistance to where I don't worry about it accidentally slipping out. But when you get it all the way down to the bottom, it does snap in. It does have multiple buttons for different things you can select on the monitor, like any monitor. And then it also has, and this is kind of cool, if I go to the other side here, it also has, I don't know if you can see those, 2 USB-C ports and then a mini HDMI port. And it comes with those cables. So real quick, let me show you those cables here. So this thing came with a USB-C to USB-A cable and a charging brick. So this, not a charging brick, but it's the power brick. If you want to use this as a kind of give it dedicated power, then you have the mini HDMI to normal HDMI, and then you have the USB-C cable. I have just been running this thing off of this USB-C cable that came with it, and it's worked flawlessly. Another thing it came with is a pouch, and this pouch is pretty nice. It's actually got a kind of a slot up here where you can take all of these different cables and store it with the monitor, and then you can take this cable, stuff it in there, and then stick the monitor in here, and it's well protected. It's actually padded. It's a pretty nice case, and it came with it. And then you also have a couple of goodies here. So you have the manual for everything you need to know about it. You have this little card that's just talking about the brand, and then you have a couple of screws if you do decide to VESA mount this thing. So real quick, let me grab my laptop and let me go ahead and set it up so we can see this guy in action working with a laptop. All right, so here's the monitor in action. As you can see, I've only got the one cable connected to it. All the cables connect over here, the 2 USB ports, the one mini HDMI port. And you can see this guy, in terms of brightness, I did mess with the settings a little bit on this guy, and I was able to match it to my MacBook Air here, and I'm only connecting one cable to it, and it's powering it. So I'm going to be having this guy live in my MacBook Air's case, and I'm going to carry it around with me everywhere. This thing looks awesome to me. It really is complementing what this display is looking like. This one's a little bit wider, but either way, it's fantastic. I think this is an amazing product. Again, the kickstand, everything it came with, the fact that it came with a case. Oh, and real quick, just to show you, everything came in this one box, and it was packed very well. So if you're in the market for a portable monitor, dude, this thing is fantastic. Absolutely amazing. I think it is a very good product, and I really do recommend it.